How to check Snapchat watch history. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on a device and make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on the Spotlight section over here. As you tap on the Spotlight section, if you want to check your Snapchat watch history, you can just swipe up and then you'll be able to see the recent watch history. But if you have just deleted all and you have just cut off all the background apps, what you can simply do is firstly you can just tap on the share icon of the reel or of the spotlight, and then you can share it to anybody. So you can just add a chat and send it to somebody else over here, and you can just send it, and in this way you'll be able to check your Snapchat watch afterwards as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.